Hello friends, today I'm going to give you a little taste of what emotion codes can do for you. So I would like you to look on your fridge for a fridge magnet, which you will need to do this exercise. And then I would like you to think about any emotion that you have that's troubling you at this moment. Could be fear, could be anger, could be pride, shame, guilt, loneliness, forlorn, heartache, whatever you're feeling. And we're going to clear that. I'd like you to just think of how intense that emotion is. You close your eyes for a moment and just tune into your body. And just see how deep it is. Remember, you don't have to identify with it yourself. It could be very foreign to you, but you're still feeling it. It could be something that's not your nature, but you're still feeling it. It could be ancestral. So whether it's yours or whether it's ancestral, we'll clear it out. Okay? So get yourself a fridge magnet and just say, I am clearing whatever it is you're clearing. Anger, pride, shame, fear, loneliness, bitterness, revenge, whatever it is that's troubling you right now. And then take your magnet and then just do this with your magnet. It's going to unscramble the emotion in a certain meridian. We're clearing the emotion out of the system. You saw how intense it was on a scale of 1 to 10 before you started. And we're going to see what's left at the end. You'll feel some sort of releases. Maybe as you're doing it, maybe at the end. If you have pain in the body, it may shift from one place to another. You may find yourself giving a deep sigh or taking a deep breath. These are all signs of the emotion clearing away. Just do it till you feel the relief. You may have already experienced it, and if you picked something that was heavy for you, just keep doing it till you feel better. I invite you to come to our workshop. Please check the link in the description box below and buy your ticket in advance so that you're all set for this, and bring an issue that you would like to clear to the workshop. I invite you to come, and you're all welcome. Now, how do you feel? Now, how is the intensity? If it was an 8 or 9 out of 10, how much is it now? Is it a 3? Is it a 2? Is it a 1? Is it a 0? If it isn't 0 yet, keep working on it till you bring it down to 0. And I look forward to seeing you again at the workshop and in another video. Please do check out the event. It's really worthwhile.